Hey guys, welcome back to another video from RC Experience. I'm out here less than a mile from my house. It's a local reservoir that they store water in. My bash spot. I haven't seen too many other people out here trying to beat the rain. It actually did rain on me a minute ago. But I thought I'd make a short bash video on the first run of the Team Corally Shogun V2. I got 2 Gen 6 500 milliamp hour batteries in there, or 5,000, sorry, milliamp hour batteries in there. 2 3S to make 6S. I don't know, I kind of like running 2 batteries instead of 1 6S. So I got them all in there wired up. Like I said, it has this nice body brace that you can run the wires through, so I didn't have to really use any zip ties that I usually like to. One interesting thing to note was that while I was waiting to come out here till the weekend, one of the shocks did bleed out. So this one right here, I had to top it off, tighten it up, no big deal. Part of the video I'm going to be attaching the camera to my car, and the other RC video with my GoPro. So let me get my car together and we'll get this thing going. Let me set this camera down for a second. Maybe that's not a good spot. Just need something to set it on for a second while I get this ready. There, that seemed to work. I have not done anything except added some Velcro so I can add this shroud to the car. I'm gonna go ahead and power up the controller. Oh, sorry. Go ahead and power up the car. Even though this does have a zipper, I usually like to power it up before just to make sure everything's going well. Let's get this thing on here relatively quickly. It's about 35 degrees out here. It's supposed to snow tomorrow, so thought I'd get out here before it got real nasty. Put it on this way. Sorry for the lag, guys. I'm doing my best. Get this on. That zippered up. Should keep some nasty debris in the back. Body on with the retained body clip, so I don't have to go looking for them. Definitely nice, definitely nice. She looks like a beast. Alright. Guess take one good look at her before we take this brand new car and put it through its paces and see if this special aluminum it claims it has really does its thing. I guess my double-sided tape didn't really work, so I guess I'll try to do the rest of the video filming holding the camera. See if we can get into a position. Boy howdy. Definitely is not as interactive. Well, I'll let you guys know after the video. It's not easy filming like this. I'll give you guys an update about run time and yeah, about my general thoughts after our first bash session. Thank you.